Hey, hi everyone. So my name is Sakib and today I am presenting our WhatsApp panel. So here you can go. So our URL is email.netcorecloud.com. So with the help of your username and password, you can log into our WhatsApp panel. So if you are new, so you can set your password with the help of your username. You can simply click over here on the forgot password option and you can set your password. So once you enter your username and password, you can click on the login option and you will enter our WhatsApp panel. So either you will see this screen once you enter this, or you will see this screen. So basically, this is our CPAAS panel. So we have in this panel email, WhatsApp, SMS, SOIP, RCS, these four channels. So because this is for the WhatsApp only, so you can click over here in the WhatsApp panel. So once you enter, then you can see your WhatsApp panel. So you can see over here on the left side, the tabs are there like dashboard, live feed, campaigns, templates, settings. So we will go one by one. So dashboard means here you can see your, how many messages you have sent, how many delivered, how many read by your customer, how many clicked. So click means if you are using any link or any button in your message template, and if your users are clicking over there on your buttons, so you can capture those responses over here as a click. So basically this is the graph type dashboard. So first, if you want to send a message, so first of all, you just need to create the template. So for that, you can come over here on the template option. So whatever template you have created, so it will show you over here like this template name or the status, whether it is approved, because these templates approved by the Facebook site. So you can see the status and the template name, and you can see the preview, how your template looks like. You can see the preview, and if you want to say or test something, if you want to send a message on some test numbers, you can put your mobile number and the media URL. So message will go to your numbers. So if you want to create a new template, so you can simply click over here on the create option and you can put your template name as per your choice. So let's say I put test. You can use underscore or any number you can use, or language you can select your whatever your message content language you can choose over here. For example, I select English, and these are the categories. So these are limited categories. So if you are sending promotional messages, so you can select alert update or account update category. So let's say I select alert update, and this is the type of message. So if you are sending pure text message, so you can select this category, text category. Or if you are sending any image or any video or any document, so you can select media category. So let's say I select media, and if I go to next page, then it will ask me what will be your header. So whether you are sending image or video or document. So as per your requirement, you can choose your media type. So let's say I chose image, and here is the body part. So whatever message you want to send, you have to write over here. So you can type your message content. For example, hi, or this is your like this. So if you want to personalize your message, or if you want to customize your messages, so you can add variables as well. You can add attributes. So for example, you are using attributes for name, so hi, or name of your customers. So you can simply click on the add variable. So name will be picked when you run the campaign. So over there, we will make the attribute columns like variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, whatever variable we are using over here. So over there, we need to make these columns. So for example, I used first variable as a name, and because coupon code also, your customer are having different coupon codes, so you can use another variable as a variable 2, and you can continue your message like this, and this is valid up to. And third variable you can use put it. So your message will be hi and the name of your customer. For example, hi Zakir, this is your coupon code and coupon code, and this is valid up to any date you can put. Then you can use footer option. So footer means you can use any one liner over here up to 60 character. So mostly people are using like for more info or terms and conditions apply. So if you see the difference, you can see the difference. The size of the the size of the content in the footer part is smaller than our main content. So you can use any one liner over here in the footer option. Then we have this button option. So in the button, we are having two type of button. One is call to action, one is quick reply. So in call to action, you can use maximum two button. One is for call phone number, one is for visit website. So call phone number means you can put your button name as call now or call us or contact us like this. You can put the country code or you can provide your number. So if your customer click on this button, so he can directly call you, whatever number you are providing over here. The next button you can use in this category, that is visit website. So in the visit website, you can keep your button name. For example, click here or click, visit now or visit here or visit us, like this kind of button name you can use. Then you can choose the URL type, static. So you can provide your URL. So if your customer click on this button, then he can directly go to your website, whatever URL you are providing over here. URL type is two types. One is static, one is dynamic. So static means every user will go on the same page, whatever URL you are providing over here. And those report you cannot capture in our dashboard. If you want to capture how many user click on this button, so you have to choose this category, dynamic category, in the URL type. If you want to capture the response from the customer side, whether he has clicked on your button or not, so you have to choose this category, dynamic category. So if you select dynamic category, so it will not ask you to put your website URL over here. We will keep our URL on the campaign file. When we run the campaign file, I will show you on the campaign part. So over there, you need to provide your URLs. Okay. So I think this is clear. But the next category in the button is quick reply category. So in the quick reply category, you can add maximum 3 buttons. So you can use button name, for example, yes button or no button or stop button. So it's like this. So for example, your users are clicking on these button, yes button or no button or stop button. So you can capture the response from the customer side. For example, I click on the stop button. You sent me a message and I click on this stop button. So we have this functionality on the reporting part. So you can capture the response from the customer side, whether he has click on the stop button or yes button or no button. So you can capture the responses from your customer side. So we'll come to know how many users said stop to you or how many users said yes to you or no to you. So you can use these buttons in the quick reply category. So these are not actionable. These are just, you can capture the response. That's it. Okay. Now, once you created the template, then you can click on the add sample button because we need to provide our variable values, our attribute values, because Facebook wants to know what you are going to use in these variables. Then he will approve, then they will approve your templates. So let's say I need to upload the file, image file. So I can upload any image file over here. Whatever image you want to send to your customers, you can upload. And here I need to provide the values of my attribute. So I have used the at variable one for name, so I can provide any name over here. And the second variable I have used for coupon code, so I can put any coupon code. Third variable I have used for date, so I can put the date. So now Facebook will understand like, hi Sakib, this is your coupon code AP200. This is valid up to 1/1/2022, like this. And this is the URL. So dynamic URL you have to provide, because what URL you are going to use on that button that we have used over there. So you can provide that URL over here. You can click on the save option, and after saving this, then you can submit your template. So once you submit, then it will go to Facebook and Facebook will approve your templates. So their maximum timeline is 24 hours. But if you, so usually they approve your template within 2 to 4 hours. They approve your template, but maximum timeline is 24 hours. Then once your template is approved, then you can go to campaign part and you can send your campaign. So you can come over here and you can create the campaign. Click on the create option, and you can put your campaign name. You want to test. If you want to tag something, you can tag. So whatever templates are approved, then you can see in this list. So you can choose anyone. Let's say this one. Now, so this is our media template, and this is image, and this is our main message. So you have to upload your media file over here, like image file. So you can upload the image file over here, and this is the CSV file that you have to upload over here. So like your mobile numbers data, your data file. So for the sample purpose, you can download the sample file. So if you click over here, then you can download the sample file. So you can see in this file, the first column is mobile number column. So in the mobile column, you have to provide your mobile numbers with 91 with country code. And the next column will be variable column. If you are having variables in your template, so you have to keep these columns. So whatever variable you are having in your template, so you have to make these columns like this, 1, 2. If you are having 3 variables, then you have to add one more column. And for media template, you have to keep one more column as a URL, but this column will be blank because we have already uploaded our media file over here. So this column will be blank. And so because I have used first variable 1 for name, and variable 2 for coupon code, and variable 3 for date. And second number, write another name like this. But if you don't have any variable in your message template, so no need to provide these columns. Only mobile column and the URL column for the media templates. Okay, and if your template is a text template, so this column will not come. Only mobile column and the variable column if you are having variable in your text template. So if you are having text template, so mobile column and the variable column will come. Whatever variable you are having in your text template, like this. like this. So this is for text template. If you don't have any variable in the text template, so no need to provide this column, only mobile column. But if you are having media template, so mobile column and your variables column, whatever variables you are having in your media template, and the URL column. Okay. And if you have created a template in the button and the category you have selected as a dynamic, so one more column will come over here, CTA underscore website, and the button URL we have to provide over here, whatever URL we are, netcore cloud, some whatever URL you want to keep on that button. So this column is for button in the dynamic category, because in the static category we are providing that URL over there, but in the dynamic category we need to provide the URLs over here in this column. So this is for media template and dynamic button. So if you send this template and user click on those, but on your buttons, your message buttons, so you can capture the response, you can capture the click report. Okay. So if you don't have any variable, you can remove those columns. And if you don't have any dynamic button, then you will keep only these columns, mobile column and URL column. And if you are having text template, then only mobile column. Okay. One more thing in this, because we will save this file in a CSV format, so we need to convert our mobile number format as a number. Because sometimes what happens if you don't convert this and you will save in a CSV format, so your data can be corrupted, like last digit will become 000. So we just need to select our numbers and make this as a number format. I just changed as a number and remove the decimal. Now our number format is now correct. You can see complete number. Save this file in a CSV comma delimited format. This is supported. This format is supported. You can save. And you can upload over here. And you can click on the send option. And once you click on the send option, then message will go. And you can see the report on the live feed. So if once your message is sent, then you can see the status of your messages, whether it is sent or read or delivered. You can see the status, mobile number, status, and the date. So this is the report. Then you can download this report as well. So you can simply click over here. You can download the report in the Excel format. You can filter this report day wise, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, or custom range report. You can filter this report as a template wise. You can filter this report status wise, sent status, delivered status, read status, clicked status, failed status. And if your user replied you on your number, so you can come over here on the conversation log and you can see your user's response. So this is the mobile number of your user who has responded you, whatever, hi, stop, or whatever. If you are using any quick reply button in your template, or if your user clicked on those buttons like a stop button or yes button or no button, so those responses will capture over here. So in the conversation log, you can see those responses, mobile number and the content. You can download this report as well. So you can filter it out, how many users responded you as a hi or a stop or no, you can download this report. So this is the reporting part. You can download the campaign wise report as well. Once you create the campaign, once you send the campaign, so you will see the campaign detail over here. Then you can download the campaign wise report as well. And the setting option, if you come to the setting option, then you can see your messaging limit. So initially your messaging limit is 1,000, but if you send 1,000 campaign for 1 day or 2 day or 3 day, then your limit will be increased by the Facebook side of 10,000. Then it will increase to 1 lakh. And if you want to edit your profile, so you can simply click over here on the edit profile option. You can upload your profile photo. You can update your about profile, address, description, email ID, business type, website. You can publish. So your user will see your complete details like your address or your email ID and your profile photo like this. And if you want to integrate your WhatsApp, so in the setting option, we will provide you the API key. So with the help of this API key and our API documentation, you can integrate your WhatsApp as well. So that's it. You just need to use this template tab basically for creating your templates, and for creating the campaign, you need to use this campaign tab. And for reporting part, whether your message is delivered or not, so you can come in the live feed option. You can check your reporting part, whether your message has been delivered or not. So this is done. Thank you so much for attending this video. Bye bye.